discovered a very annoying sound that can make. Do you want to hear it? Do you want to hear it?